Hey y'all, it's Ignacio Salas over here at Joe Bullard Acura, Mobile, Alabama, and today I have two fantastic storytelling features about the 2023 Acura MDX Type S. And the trim level is the advanced model, so come on along, I'll show you some features. Okay, and now we're in the back seat. I do want to talk about this interior for the vehicle as well. So we take a look at the back seat. We have this quilted red stitching that goes alongside the back area all the way down to the bottom area. Now, one thing about it is when people are looking for an MDX, they are wanting to look between captains or bench seats. So right now I'm having a bench seat kind of moment right here, but there's a level right here where you can create your own captain chair, separate the kids, separate the adults, have their own cup holder and their own storage space right here. And another fantastic feature about the back seat is that there's a lever right down the bottom that you can pull, and it can release this whole compartment and have an extra runway to the third row back seat, or just to haul a little bit more things whenever you're packing or sports equipment. But that's all about the back row. Okay, y'all. Now for the passenger and driver side, we can look at the interior from it. They'll still have this quiltual red stitching going alongside to the bottom. We'll have side bolstering that allows you to hug you a little bit more better. And to the bottom, we'll have this leg extension to ever how you like to adjust it. So when driving it, you're comfortable. Now, another factor too about it is that you'll have cool seats, heated seats, and what's new to the Acura brand is the massaging seats. So it's a overall good experience for going to a ball game, coming from a ball game, to from vacation, or from a long days of work. So all in all, the passenger and driver side will have a perfect experience when driving the vehicle. All right, now coming to the back, you have the hands-free liftgate, where it allows the tailgate to rise on up. And if you can take a look in the back storage area, you have a wide selection of space, so you can put large items such as a stroller, things to those aspects. And you can lift this up right here. You have a secret compartment, and what's so unique about the MDXs is that there's this carpet WeatherTech mat into it. You can actually take this out. You can lock into place, so such as wet groceries items, muddy cleats, sandy beach items. Everything can stay in place into here and stay protected from the carpet outside. And whenever you're going at high speed or rolling around, everything will stay in place into that. Okay, so that concludes the features about the MDX Type S. Y'all have a wonderful day.